家拍卡。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back for another round of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. All right, this whole month, the phrase we're teaching you is to be nervous. 紧张。
紧张。
紧张。那紧张呢，有分很多种，有一些是因为怕自己会发生什么事情啦，或者是说要遇到什么人啦，或者说有压力的那种紧张。
对。
可是有一种紧张其实是开心的紧张。
开心，因为说不定我要抽奖中奖了。
You know, maybe you bought a lotto ticket and they're drawing out the numbers, or maybe you're at your weigh-ya, for instance, and they are drawing out the big prize. 当你在抽奖的时候，莫名其妙大家都紧张的要命。
对啊，希望抽到我啊，大奖抽到我。
So let's put you in that situation where you're about to face a lucky draw, and maybe your number is going to be called. All right, 要抽大奖10万块了，好紧张哦。We're about to draw out the big prize, 100,000 NT. I'm so nervous.
爱出太奖。
我出太重
，10萬嘅元咧
，10萬嘅元咧，
很緊張哦，
很緊張哦 ，OK， 好緊張哦，然後10萬塊，10萬嘅元，
對，
就是
錢啊，那個1元2元的元哦
，That means 100,000 NT 元 ，That's actually the money unit， OK， 然後要抽大獎的 big prize 叫做太重，OK， 他念到我的號碼，我抽到了，
紀念到。
紀念到，
我嘅號碼，
我嘅號碼，
我出到嘞，
我出到嘞，我出到嘞，就是我抽到了，
我出到嘞，
对对，我刚刚说我抽到，你开心什么？
因为你等一下要请客
啊，对 ，That's right. Even though you got the number, maybe people around you are going to be happy too because you got to treat them to dinner or something else. 今天给你请客了 ，You're going to treat tonight.
金本日，
金本日，
本唔搶了，
本搶了。Okay, 就是請客啦。
對
Like I said,
要給你請客。
people around you, they may hate you a little bit, but they want a little share of it. Okay. 好啦，那我们再 rate 幾個單字咯。
Okay.
Let's review some of these phrases, such as 大獎 big prize,
太獎，
太獎 and then your number 號碼。號碼 and it's your treat, all right? 給你請客，
本唔搶，
本唔搶。All right, we hope that you 不搶 a lot. That means you won something big, of course. And again, this whole month is all about being nervous. This is good nervousness. 緊張，
緊張，
緊張，這種緊張我希望多一點啊。
我也是哦。
That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太假？
子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.